Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Rachel's Route, and today we're going to the rental dock for paddleboarding. The dock is open every day from 10 to 5 and the last rental is at 4. Just walk up and they'll provide you with step-by-step instructions on paddling and the proper stance for balance. You can paddle down the river or head to Sheboygan's lively lakefront, where you'll see people on kayaks, surfboards, sailboats, and of course paddleboards. If you want in on the fun, grab a paddle, a board, a life jacket, and set out to the water.